Hey, how you doing? This time we have one, let's say a little bit unusual Sony double auto reverse cassette deck. The model is TC-WR565. Yeah. So why it's this deck unusual? Like, let's say for first thing, it has a pitch control. And it's working like you pull it out, control your deck speed, stuff like that. It also has the Dolby BC, of course, display in the middle. You cannot adjust manually bias and recording level calibration because this deck has auto calibration. I can demonstrate that right now. If I press auto cal, I will reset it, and if I press it again, auto calibration, then pause, the calibration of the right deck will start for this Sony HF90 cassette tape. The deck will record test tone, then we'll rewind it, and then we'll play it, compare it, and adjust the bias and recording level calibration. Now this tape is basically ready for recording. We can do that right now. We got some CD ready to be recorded. If I press record and then play, I'll choose Dolby on C. I'll put the level a little bit back because it's a normal tape. And then I'm gonna go back and see how was the recording. This tape is very bad at the beginning, but it's getting better. Yeah, I'm using some old, I don't know the source of the tape. It's probably a little bit not in the best condition. So I'm gonna just fast forward a little bit. And then I'm gonna do auto calibration again. Why not? I can do it as many times as I want. So it goes calibration 9, 8, 7, 6. Then it's gonna rewind on 5 or 4. Then it's gonna set the calibration right. I'm gonna continue my recording. Yeah. And then you're gonna see how it goes. Your level should be around this Dolby symbol, but it depends of what kind of music are recording. It could go a little bit higher or lower. Let's check it out. Excellent, excellent. And as you know, one of my basic tricks is to record with Dolby B and then play it without Dolby. So let's try that trick. That's how I get more highs. On the decks, they are not calibrated as mine. High notes. And I'll play it without Dolby. sounds great if you ask me. So yeah, I tested that. It's recording just fine. It's playback. It would play back pre-recorded original tapes just fine. But there is one function that I found very interesting. That's this RMS. So when you press that, another kind of display would lit up. So now you have option to choose the side, like playback reverse side. See, up, playback reverse side. And let's say I wanna play from this tape, which is original tape, second and fourth track. So I would go like this, and then I would go on fourth track and set, and then I would go RMS start, and the deck will go and play what I ordered. If I want to check what I ordered, then I press on check. I ordered second and fourth track, and then it's end. Okay, so this deck will go and find second track, then it will start playing it. Yeah, and then when it finish it, it will go on fourth track. And what is also interesting, okay, it will show RMS on the display, that it's programmed to do something. And you can do the same if you want to record it on the another tape, which is great. So let's say I have 5 tracks on this side here, but I only want to record 2 of them, and I want to record 3 of the from the other side, and I want to fit it on this tape. You can do that. You can program this, that, and that the other side will stop and wait until this deck fast forward to the next track, and then it will continue recording on this unit. That's kind of neat, if you ask me. So yeah, we don't have balance, we don't have a bias or some other knobs, but we have all the auto calibration. We also have normal and high-speed dubbing. But let's go back on the, I'm gonna quit with RMS. I'm gonna press stop. Let's go back to this one, pitch control. That knob you cannot find on many decks. And if I thought about it, like, yeah, this could be a good thing for DJs at that times, because I'm a DJ and I use pitch control on professional Tascam TIC units, so I can play tracks from my tapes, and then I mix it with the Technics turntables and stuff like that. So yeah, I use decks with pitch control, professional units. But this is kind of more related for aerobic session or something like that, I was thinking, because now you can slow down your track and play with it. Let's have fun a little bit. So pull it out. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crazy shit. Okay, you got my point. But let's say you have a aerobic session and all your dancers or participants are doing some routine, and you want to slow it down, or you want to speed it up. It's really kind of cool, like a small knob push push in, push back, pull out, pull in, pull back, and it's working. So yeah, this is kind of a little bit unique device. The sound is pretty much good for the capacity of Sony audio reverse double deck. It has Dolby BC, HX Pro, auto calibration and stuff like that. And since I replaced the belts and I replaced the pinch rollers, this unit is ready to like work for next who knows how many years. The only thing that is not nice is like a cover. It's kind of scratched. You see there are a lot of scratches on this cover. But what's most important, not on the front. I think this is more important. Like it looks really good. All right, take care. See you next time.